Okay, today what we're going to do is take a look at tire sizes. Every vehicle has a tire. You got sizes on the side of it. So what we're going to kind of do is break it down so you kind of understand a little bit about what it is. Now this particular tire we have here today is on the side of it has P235 70 R15. Now we're just going to break that down real quick. The P on the side of it is for passenger. Your tire may have a P or it might have an LT, which is for light truck, a little heavier duty tire. The next number is 235. What that number is 235 millimeters. It's the width of the tire. Okay? So again, it's in millimeters, a little different. The next number is 70. This is where it gets a little tricky. Everybody has to do a little math on this. 70 is 70% of the 235 is the height of the sidewall. It's called aspect ratio. Anyway, so when people tell you that we don't do math in auto, there you go, we've got math, that's a percentage. Now the next thing is the R. R means radial. Most tires anymore are radial tires. The last number is 15. 15 is the diameter of the wheel. That is it.